Let's continue the is palindrome problem here. The problem is fairly easy. If you would like to make sure something is palindrome, you need first of all, like thinking, where is the recursive problem? Like, what do you need exactly to be recursive? You can think as following. I need to make sure that the first element and the first element and the last element are equal or not. If they aren't equal, then we are definitely facing something that is in palindrome. Now, once we are done with that, where is the sub-problem? The sub-problem is in the middle here, 2, 3, 2. Is it palindrome or not? So the idea is the begin equal to the end? Yes, then we need to verify the middle to be is palindrome. If no, then we are done. So this is now a bit different style than what you learned. We used to crop the list from the left, crop it from the right, but now we are cropping from the middle itself. As you see, the more you go with recursion, you will notice there are more and more patterns. So do not try to memorize how to do recursion, because it will not work this way. Recursion is very flexible, and when you study other recursive techniques like binary search, merge sort, dynamic programming, every one of them will be like it's a new type. So avoid memorizing unless you really know all of them. In the next problem, we would like to compute the start with functionality, and this is also a nice problem. If we have here a list and would like to make this comparison, we can think in a similar way to the is palindrome task. You need to compare the first element here with the first element here. If they aren't equal, then definitely we aren't facing like something that is starts with. Otherwise, you need to compare the remaining of you with the remaining of that guy. So in this problem, as you see, you are like doing manipulation to two different things, the main and the pattern in the same type. So this is mainly the recurrence here. Not equal, then we are done. Otherwise, my remaining with your remaining. The tricky part here is to make sure from these two base cases, if no more pattern, then we are done. If there is still more but there is pattern, then this is false.